guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, you are welcome. My name is Divine. Please make sure to subscribe. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So like you already know, like you already have seen by the title of this video, this is a vlog. Today is Monday and I want to go to the market. My main reason for going to the market is to buy brown paper. I'm going to give you that gist later, gist of how I've been making a particular outfit for the longest time. I'm going to tell you about it later, but for now I just want to go to the market. So my main purpose for going to the market was to buy brown paper. So I'm like, well, if I have to spend transport money to go to the market, I might as well just buy stuff for egusi, because I recently found this egusi soup recipe from Delicious, lumpy egusi, and I'm like, I'm craving this, like I want to have it. So I'm going to the market now to buy stuff to prepare the egusi. And by the way guys, we are almost at 1k subscribers. Yay! I am super excited about that. I am so thankful to all of you. Like, I feel like I cannot do it. Like if one person should unsubscribe, it's going to affect me. That's how much I value you guys. It's really not easy. This journey, this YouTube thing has really not been easy, but we are almost at 1,000 subscribers and I'm super excited about it. Please, if you want to help me, please share my videos, please watch my videos. Please, you know, like, do everything whenever you're watching my videos. Like, comment, subscribe. Start from this particular video, like this video, okay? Leave me a very beautiful comment in the comment section and let's go on this journey of getting to 1,000 subscribers together. Okay, so right now let me not talk too much and just start going to the market. I'm back from the market and I would say the sun is sunny. The sun is scorching. It is scorching sun out there, and this is the bag I came back with, very heavy. I'm just going to be doing some unboxing. I'm just going to be doing some unboxing with you guys. So this is the brown paper I wanted to buy. This is the Oga Bata of this market, of today's going to the market. This is the main reason I went to the market today. So I got this. What's next thing here? So I got ugu leaf. This ugu pumpkin ugu leaf. And then I also bought, oh, this is my egusi, blended egusi, fresh pepper, Maggi, seasoning cube. This is not Maggi, sorry, this is not seasoning cube, not Maggi. I don't know why we keep saying this Maggi, everything Maggi. And then these are my proteins. I bought meat. I bought beef and kanda, or bomo, whichever one I want to call it. So this is the protein I'm going to be using for this food. And let me tell you something, when I'm making soup, I prefer, like, I love, like, I'm sorry for the sound of this video because my neighbor's gen is on, and of course I cannot go and then switch off his gen because I want to talk. If he pay you, you buy your own generator, Abby. So I prefer, in my soups, I prefer to use, like, I love more of dry fish and stock fish. Like, at home, when I'm cooking at home, I use a lot of stock fish and dry fish, and even when I was my 100 level self, I use a lot of stock fish and dry fish to cook. But now things are like way expensive. Those dry fish and stock fish is like 2 times or 3 times the price now, and I can't afford it anymore. So I just have to manage. I just have to use it the way I can. But I love stock fish and a lot of dry fish when I'm cooking. So this one here is fufu. I bought fufu for my cooking, like when I want to eat. I bought fufu. This girl said. And here I have my tatashi or shambo. I don't know whichever one you call it, tatashi or shambo. This actually going to be the first time I'm going to be using this to cook egusi soup. I've not used this before, and I'm supposed to blend it, but I don't have a blender. But I'm just going to do something so that it will be blended, so it can be well blended. And what else did I buy? What else? What else? What else? What else? And then the last thing I got mangoes, because why not? I got mangoes. So yeah, these are all just the things I bought in the market. So now I'm about to eat a very well balanced diet. See my soup looking so nice. I've not tasted it yet. I'm going to taste it for you. My mango, my fufu. So let's eat. Let me eat, please. This food is so nice. Like the lumps are lumping. There are visible lumps, tasty, nice, delicious. This recipe is hi guys, good morning. No, good afternoon. Today is Saturday, and of course, like you all know, Saturdays are for weddings, and I'm just coming back from one. So I am coming back from church. So last year, January precisely, I I started attending weddings. Like last year was the year I became, I don't know how to say. What I do is once any wedding is announced in church, I'm going to attend it. But if it's a wedding of if it's a couple that I'm not familiar with, I just attend church, and after church I'm off. I'm going back home. But if it's like someone I know, of course I'll go for reception. So today, I don't know the couple, but I attended to the church service, and this is how I wore my two-piece trouser and shirt. I made this myself, so if you want to see it well, I believe you should go and check my video. Let me show you a little bit. Let me show you just snippets. It's a two-piece trouser and shirt, and I love it. I love it. It's so comfortable. And if you would like to know how I made it, I have a video on my channel. So I'm gonna leave the links to the videos in my channel in my description box below, so you can go check it out. So like I was saying, I attend weddings, so ooh. So I am coming back from church now. I don't know neither the bride nor the groom. So after the church, I said I just came back home. So I've been attending church weddings. In fact, last year was the year I attended most weddings. Last year I attended most weddings, both people I know and people I don't know. I attended most weddings last year, and this year again I'm still attending. So that's it. I'm back home now, and I'm trying to open this thing. I don't know. I feel like they were supposed to give me like a straw for this drink. Let me get his knife and puncture it. I've opened it and I saw it, so I decided to just buy it because I just wanted to taste it. The first and last time I tasted Viju chocolate was a very long time ago, so I started down like, let me taste, let me know if it still tastes like it used to taste before. Mm. Wow, this is so nice. And it did not disappoint. This tastes so good. Viju chocolate, it tastes so nice. The taste has not changed. The taste is nice. Mm. Mm. It's so nice. So that is it though, and finally, to God be the glory, I finally finished my milkmaid dress. I finally finished my milkmaid dress, guys. And this is the dress. I wanted to wear this dress to go to church, like for the wedding, but then this dress is rumpled. It's it was very rumpled. In fact, it's still very rumpled, and I was not light in the morning. There's still no light now, so I was able to iron. So I'm like, you know what? I'm not just gonna wear it, but I'm gonna wear it now to show you guys what it looks like. And the story behind this dress is that I put up a poll. I don't know if I've said this. I put up a poll. I think I've said this, where I asked if I should do a milkmaid dress, if I should make a milkmaid dress or skirts, and a lot of people said milkmaid dress. So I decided to make the milkmaid dress. And along the way, because I bought 2 yards of fabric, please tell me how I thought that 2 yards of fabric was going to be enough. I don't know. I was just mincing money. I was trying to economize both on fabric and on my money. That was how I went to go and buy 2 yards of fabric for this milkmaid dress. And I was thinking that 2 yards of fabric would be enough because the fabric is by 60, unlike Ankara that is always by 45. This one is by 60, and then it's an off shoulder, so it's not. I don't know how I calculated it, but long story short, 2 yards was not enough. So I had to leave the whole clothes, for the whole making of the dress for a long time, and then I had to when I went back to Onisha, I bought another 1 yard of fabric. And after buying the 1 yard of fabric, I had a lot of things doing. I had my school project work, I had exams, I had like so many things. So I just kind of paused making it and continued with other things I was doing. But finally, thank God, I'm able to finish, making this dress. So I'm going to show you what it's looking like. So this is the dress. This dress is gorgeous. Period. Period. So beautiful. How am I going to show this dress now? I don't know. Let me do this so you can see this dress raw. And I cannot wait to take myself out on a date by myself, for myself, on this dress. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna take myself out on a date because I deserve one. Since nobody wants to take me out on a date, I'll take myself out. So this is what the dress is looking like. So cute. So cute. I don't know how else to show it. But this dress is simply beautiful. This is the dress. So beautiful. This dress is so fine. So fine, so simple, so cute, so fine. And yeah, so we're having. So by now the 2 videos for making this milkmaid dress should be up on my channel. So this dress also has 2 videos because it's very lengthy, so I decided to just cut it into 2. The part 1, the drafting pattern, and the making of the dress. So it has 2 videos. So also it's going to be in my description box below, so go check it out if you want to know how I was able to make this beautiful milkmaid dress. And please leave me your comments, let me know your thoughts about this dress because I am loving it. I love it. I love it. I love this dress so much, and I think I'm going to make more of this kind of dress. One thing I like about this dress is the A-line. Let me add. So one of the things I really like about this dress is the A-line effect. Like, I like the A-line. Some of the videos I saw or pictures that I saw are like flay, like maybe 360 flay or 180 flay. But since I was missing fabric, like I was trying to make my fabric to be enough, I decided to do A-line, to make my own A-line. And I must say this A-line is the best. Like I really like this, the A-line pattern more than the flay pattern, if you understand what I mean. So this is the outcome and I love it. And I'm going to make more. I'm going to make more of this kind of dress, like not more, maybe one maybe one more milkmaid dress, because I love it so much.